Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are well. Today we have met online after a long time and we will continue to meet online for some time. Now let's study English. Before we start, there are few important instructions that you should follow. Firstly, be ready with your paper and pencil. Second thing, pay attention during the whole session. Thirdly, note all the new words or the difficult words that have been said during the session. Lastly, note the homework given at the end. Now, let us start with chapter 1. The King and the Bees. Now, who are kings? Kings are the male ruler of an independent state. And who are bees? Bees, they are the insect who lives in hives and collect nectar from the flower of a plant and gives us honey. So, long time ago, there lived a very wise king. So, here there lived a wise king. Wise means what? Very knowledgeable. So, there was a king who was very knowledgeable. He was known far and wide for his wisdom. Now, what do you mean by wisdom? Good judgment. So, this king, he was known for his good judgment. Whatever judgment he used to do for any problem, he used to really give a good judgment. So he was known far away for his good judgment. One day when the king was in his court, the queen of the neighboring land came to meet him. The queen said to the king, "O king, I have heard you are very wise. Is this true?" So now this queen is asking to a king that I have heard that you are very wise. Whatever judgment you are giving is very wise. Is it true? So the king replied, "It is as you say, queen." So the queen said, "I have a puzzle to test your wisdom. May I proceed?" Proceed means to move forward. Move forward. So here the queen was asking that to the king that you are very wise. Whatever judgment you are giving is really good. So I just want to test your wisdom. So may I proceed? She was having some puzzle for the king. So she was asking to the king that please may I proceed. Proceed means to move forward. So king said, "Yes, of course." So the queen replied, queen said, "One of these wreaths." Now you can see these two wreaths are kept. So the queen said, "One of these wreaths is made of flowers picked from your garden and the other is made of artificial flowers." Means what? The queen said that I have two wreaths for you. One of these wreaths is made by a real flowers and the flowers are been taken from your garden, means king's garden, and the other wreath it is made of artificial flowers. Now first we will see what is wreath. Wreath means what? As you all have seen in the picture, it is a circular arrangements of flowers and leaves. So what was the puzzle? The queen was having two wreaths and one was made of a real flowers and the flowers were taken from the king's garden and the other one was made of artificial flower. So the king has to recognize that which wreath belongs to his garden, means which wreath is made of a real flowers that are from his garden. So the queen was asking, now tell me which one of this is made of real flowers. So here the queen is testing the king's wisdom by giving a puzzle. In next video we will see how the king will show his wisdom. Till that time you all just revise the hard words with its meaning. Thank you children. Have a nice day.